It's story time! Are you ready for an adventure? We're going on a trip with a little girl named Marigold. She has golden hair just like her name. And guess what? She's about to have a very exciting day. But first, visit my Etsy shop. It's called Charming Tale Design. You can find all sorts of magical things there, like pictures and coloring pages based on our stories. Okay, are you ready to start the story? Let's go! Once upon a time, Marigold lived in a cottage with her mother. One sunny morning, her mother said, "Marigold, darling, please stay away from the forest. It's dangerous for little girls like you." But Marigold was a curious girl, and she didn't always listen to her mother. She decided to sneak into the forest. She wanted to see what was there. She promised herself she wouldn't go far, but the forest was big and exciting, and Marigold quickly got lost. The forest was filled with magical things. Twinkling lights danced between the trees, little mushrooms glowed with rainbow colors, and the flowers talked. Marigold couldn't believe her eyes. She met a fluffy bunny with butterfly wings. She saw a squirrel with a bushy tail that sparkled like diamonds. And then, she smelled something delicious. It smelled like oatmeal and honey and all sorts of yummy things. Marigold followed her nose. It led her to a cute little house. The door was slightly open. She peeked inside. There was a table with 3 bowls of porridge. One was big, one was medium, and one was small. Marigold was hungry from her adventure. She decided to try the porridge. Just a little taste, she thought. She wouldn't tell anyone. First, she tried the big bowl. "Yuck," she said. "This porridge is too hot." Then she tried the medium bowl. "Ew," she exclaimed. "This porridge is too cold." Finally, she tried the small bowl. "Yummy," she cried. "This porridge is just right," and she ate it all up. But now she was sleepy from all that porridge. She looked around the room. She saw 3 chairs. One was big, one was medium, and one was small. Finding the perfect fit. First, Marigold tried the big chair. "Ouch," she said. "This chair is too hard." Then she tried the medium chair. "Ugh," she cried. "This chair is too soft." Finally, she tried the small chair. "Ah," she sighed. "This chair is just right." But the chair was too small for her, and she broke it into pieces. Now she was really tired. She saw a staircase. It led to a bedroom. She slowly climbed the stairs. In the bedroom, she found 3 beds. One was big, one was medium, and one was small. She tried each bed, just like the porridge and the chairs. The big bed was too hard. The medium bed was too soft. But the small bed was just right. Marigold snuggled into the cozy blankets and quickly fell asleep. But guess what? The house belonged to 3 bears: Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. They had gone for a walk in the woods with their friends, the woodland creatures. Now they were back, and they were hungry. The bears and creatures went inside their house. They saw their porridge bowls. "Someone ate my porridge," growled Papa Bear. "Someone ate my porridge too," exclaimed Mama Bear. "And someone ate all of my porridge," cried Baby Bear. They saw their chairs. "Someone sat in my chair," growled Papa Bear. "Someone sat in my chair too," exclaimed Mama Bear. "And someone broke my chair," cried Baby Bear. Then they went upstairs. Marigold heard all the noise. She opened her eyes and saw the 3 bears and the woodland creatures staring at her. She was so scared. She jumped out of bed and ran out of the house. She ran and ran and ran all the way home. She never went back to the forest again. The end. Did you like the story? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fairy tale adventures, and visit my Etsy shop, Charming Tale Design. Bye.